Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Wake&Tech. Today in this guide, I will walk you step by step through how to add items to your Amazon shopping cart. First of all, launch open Amazon application on your device, or you can also go to the Amazon.com website and log into your account. After logging into the account, from the home page, go ahead and search for an item or browse for an item. I'm gonna use the search bar at the top. Type in the name of the item in the search box at the top. After looking for the item, from the list, select the item you want to add to the cart. Tap on See Options. After you select an item you want to purchase, you will be able to see this options of the product. Select the product you want to add to the basket and click on Add to Basket right underneath the product description. Once you do that, you will be able to add the product to your shopping bag. Now, in order to open up your bag, click on the shopping cart icon at the bottom of the screen. You will then be able to see all of the products that you've added in the cart. You can change the quantities, remove items, or save items for later. Once you have all the desired items in the cart, you can proceed to check out and follow through the instructions. So that's how you easily add an item to your Amazon shopping cart. With these steps, you can build your cart, adjust items, and proceed when ready. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.